Welcome to Shop Talk, a performance-driven series from the shop by FordDirect, built to change how vendors connect with dealerships. Designed to cut through webinar fatigue, Shop Talk delivers concise, data-driven insights that show exactly how today's solutions impact dealership performance. Today, we're featuring FrogData, a platform helping dealerships grow profitable customer pay service traffic through smarter fixed ops marketing, stronger online visibility, and data-driven insights that increase retention, repair orders, and revenue growth. This isn't a webinar, it's proof of performance. Let's get into it.
Hi, everyone. This is Chris with FrogData. I'm here to share some really exciting information with you today. We're focused on helping dealerships improve performance and fixed operations. And let's just zoom out for a second and look at what's really changing in the fixed ops space right now. You know, when you think about it, 2026 is already shaping up to be what I call the year of fixed ops. You know, new vehicle sales are down, front-end grosses are tightening, and dealers are asking fixed ops to step it up, to replace some of that missed gross. And we know that fixed ops folks are perfectly capable of that. So we know that you can do it. We also know that Ford is asking dealers to increase 6% in their customer pay RO traffic growth. That's a big number, especially when you think about what it takes to drive that type of an increase in the service drive. The problem is that most dealers have really relied on vehicle sales, new vehicle sales, to feed their service lanes. And that's just not good enough anymore to drive the type of growth that every service department is looking for. So if you don't rethink your service marketing strategy, you're looking at likely flat or in some cases declining RO counts, and not just in 2026, but 2027 and beyond as well. So what's actually driving this gap in customer pay growth for car dealerships? It's actually pretty simple. When a vehicle is purchased new, it's obviously under warranty and customers come back to the dealership. It's pretty simple. That's the business model. The business for the service department is built into that business model. The problem is, as the warranty starts to expire, everything changes. Consumers go to Google and they start searching for things like brake repairs near me or transmission service near me. And here's the issue. Most dealerships, if not all dealerships, are not showing up in those high intent service searches. You're not even part of the consideration set, which means you're potentially losing that existing customer who goes to Google, and you don't even have a chance at those customers that have never done business with you before. And frankly, it's not because your service department isn't good. It's because your marketing isn't aligned with how consumers actually behave today. And what's happening as a consequence is the independent shops are winning the post-warranty game because they're visible when customers are searching, especially for these high-intent service search terms. You know, and when you step back and look at this issue of driving additional customer pay traffic, it really raises a bigger question. Why are so many dealerships missing out on this? And really, it's because most dealerships, if not all, use what we call a vehicle behavior marketing approach. They're looking at the vehicle, they're looking at the mileage, prior service history, and trying to send an offer, typically a discounted service offer, to try to get that customer to come back to the dealership. And all those things matter. They're important, but they're all focused on known customers and in-warranty behavior. What's really missing is this visibility into real-time demand that's happening in the marketplace. There are consumers in the market right now who need high-value work, brakes, transmission, major repairs, and they're online searching for it. So if the dealership service department is not showing up in these moments of truth, that business is going somewhere else. So again, it's not that dealers aren't marketing, it's that they're marketing in the wrong places to try to drive the growth that they're looking for in customer paid traffic. So the next logical question is, what should dealers be doing differently? And what really needs to happen is they need to shift from a vehicle behavior marketing approach to a consumer behavior marketing approach. That means showing up where customers are actively searching through SEO, search marketing, and then taking the dealership service department to the next level through social media amplification. Instead of waiting for a customer to come back based on a discounted offer that you've provided, you're actually meeting the customers exactly when they need services. And when you do that, the results are pretty significant. Most dealers using a consumer behavior marketing approach see anywhere from 150 to 350 additional phone call leads per month. About 60% of those turn into appointments, which is obviously then resulting repair orders on a monthly basis. And here's the key difference with FrogData. You can actually track that. With the fact that we have full integration to all the major DMS systems in the marketplace, you're not guessing anymore. You can see exactly how many leads are coming in through the platform and how many of those are turning into real repair orders. So now you've got a clear, measurable return on investment with this new marketing model that we call fixed ops velocity. And this isn't just theory. You can see this playing out in the real dealership world today. One Ford dealer client of ours in the Southeast implemented this strategy about 6 months ago and is now seeing almost an 8% increase in annual customer pay RO volume increases. In addition to the volume increase, this is also translated into almost $600,000 of additional parts and service work for the dealership. And the best part of that, this is more profitable type of repair work that the dealerships typically miss out on after the warranty period expires. And those consumers are typically finding the independence by looking online for where they should be taking their vehicles. So when you put all of this together, I think the takeaway is pretty clear. You really have two choices. You can keep doing what you're doing today and hope that customer pay traffic grows, right? Or you can align your marketing with how consumers are actually behaving and start to capture that demand that already exists in your market. Again, this isn't about creating demand. It's about showing up for it. And the dealers who make the shift to a consumer behavior marketing model are the ones who are going to win in fixed ops, not only in 2026, but for the years to come. Thank you.